2017, the newer Ford Fusion halogen to LED headlight conversion. This is if you wanted to add from the LED headlight assembly to the full-on or halogen headlight assembly to the LED headlight assembly. This will fix the problem where when you turn on the headlights will not turn on. This will fix the problem. It does have a relay built into it here. Has your little turn signal resistors. It does have your inline fuse. It does have a power connector. Connect this to the battery. Connect one of this to the driver's side, the other side to the passenger side. Connect that to the battery, and you will be good to go for your LED headlight assembly add-on. Thanks for watching.